Hello everyone, greetings of the day, and in our today's lecture we are going to discuss about the differences between the traditional versus digital marketing. As you know that traditional marketing has changed the facets since long after the industrial revolution and the changes in the marketing scenarios as competition is increasing day by day. In a similar way, the marketing practices adopted by the companies are changing accordingly, and the companies are moving to the digital revolution, which is taking place after the internet revolution. So here in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the basic differences between the traditional versus digital marketing. So every business needs marketing to increase the sales, to increase the awareness level, to build the brand in the market, and they require the appropriate marketing strategies. But as far as the different businesses are concerned, especially when we are talking about the startups, most startups have two major challenges. One is that they have the limited cash flow and the very limited manpower. Uh, and in both the ways, when we are using the tactics of marketing, we need the cash flows to meet the expenditures of the advertisement at the different platforms and the channels. So specifically, the large companies are not having the problems of the investment in the advertising processes, whether they are adopting the traditional media or they are adopting the digital marketing processes, for example, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So the question is where to invest your budget in traditional marketing or digital marketing. Yes, basic differences we can understand in terms of the budget. Of course, the message has certain relevance. Of course, the media has certain relevances. But when we are talking about the expenses, these are the priorities in the case of investment purpose. So, marketing budget is very important for any startup, small size companies. As a business, we need to what? We need to ensure that we are ahead of our competition. Yes, you must be ahead of your competition, and that means we cannot just depend on outdated marketing methods. Yes, we have to change our marketing methodology according to the needs of the hour, and we need to look beyond and understand how we can leverage the latest marketing techniques to grow our reach, so we can stand out among the competition. बिल्कुल competition, if you wants to be in a competition, especially when the large companies are not having the problems of investment, where the small companies are facing the certain problems to adopt the various marketing methods or the various marketing techniques. Here you need to uh, deal with the competition in the well manner, and you have to update yourself with the new marketing methodology and techniques which can be used and utilized for the betterment of the organization. So here is we are also calling the traditional marketing as the old school, and on the other hand, we are calling the digital marketing as the new school. So first we have to understand that what is the traditional marketing. So you have to think of traditional marketing as a marketing that you can physically touch or experiences. Yes, that's why traditional marketing materials are woven into the fabric of consumers' lives. So these include what? This includes newspaper ads, coupon clippings, brochures, banners, and even the free samples which are offered by the companies to the customers, which we are calling the free sampling marketing. So traditional marketing methods have been used since the beginning, when even the term marketing was not termed. Yes, when we are talking about the marketing term, the traditional marketing methods have already been started in the beginning. So there are many ways of promoting a product or service uh, in the traditional way. So these are the following methods of traditional marketing. We have facts, we have networking, the newspaper, radio, outdoor exhibitions and conferences, TV, face-to-face meetings, magazines, cold calling, the product samples, direct mailing, fax, networking, etc. So these all are the tools and we can say the channels of traditional marketing which are used by the companies in the traditional way. So